This is Ruth. I'm a Philadelphia homeowner. I recently installed this dry stream bed in my backyard. When I set out for this project, I needed a landscape fabric that was strong, durable, and water permeable. And when I found Sandbaggy's 8-ounce non-woven, I went for it, and I'm glad I did. This product first was easy to work with. It came in a large roll, easy to just roll out, cut into shape with a pair of scissors, and it's very strong. It's thick, super strong, can't puncture it at all. I think it's going to be a very effective way to keep weeds out of this stream bed. So I'm expecting many good years out of this product and this project.